Seva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about some myths and facts when it comes to detox water. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So, detox water. There's been a ton of hype around detox water. Is it good? Is it bad? What kind are you using? Why are you doing it? Blah blah blah. So as you know, I've made a ton of videos on hydration. I can make sure to link them up right here, and I talk about in there the 8x8 rule, and I kind of go back and forth with it and tell you how, like, maybe for some people that's good, maybe for others they need more, they need less, and all that kind of stuff. But then we have detox water. So some people think that, you know, by adding other ingredients or herbs or things like that, citrus fruits, you can get, you know, a ton more added benefits than just plain water. So that's where detox water comes in. So this is said to rid your body of toxins, increase your energy levels, you know, really boost your hydration, and can even help you lose weight. So first of all, what is detox water? So all detox water is like I was touching on before, it's just water that's been infused with something. So infused with, you know, vegetables, fruits, citrus fruits, herbs, spices, things like that. You can use any combination that you want. You can make it right at home. It's super easy. So typically a detox water is still a water, right? It's not like a smoothie. So they're typically lower in calories. That's why you have things, you know, like lemon water. Like I made a video on lemon water as a detox right up here. I can link that for you guys. But it's lower in calories because typically they're just infused or, you know, put into ice cubes and things like that rather than being, you know, juiced or blended in. And the reason these detox waters are also added into a lot of, you know, diet plans and things like that is because it's a flavored drink that is definitely a lower sugar alternative. So like I mentioned in my other video, this can be hot or cold. You can have a whole host of different combinations, like I said, with citrus fruits, with vegetables, you know, adding some cucumbers, some mint, some cinnamon. You can really do whatever it is you want here. You can sweeten it up with some honey. The options are endless and really delicious. So what are some health claims when it comes to detox water? So there's so many people, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, everywhere that, you know, claim that detox waters have all these health benefits. So like I said, this can be weight loss, this can be a detox, so removing, you know, toxins from your body. This can be balancing the pH levels in your body, better digestive health or boosting your immune health, improving your mood, increasing energy levels, and even improving your complexion, so your skin. Now, of course, all of these different benefits are going to vary, you know, depending what you're making your detox water with. So like I mentioned in the lemon water video, you know, all the vitamin C and things like that are really good for your skin. But a lot of these attributes are, you know, mainly because of the water, not necessarily all of the other ingredients you're adding, especially because you're just infusing them. You're not consuming, you know, fully all of these fruits or vegetables or whatever is in there. So now let's get into some of the myths. So myth number one is that detox water detoxifies your body. So your body actually has detox pathways that are designed in your body. And that's what's used to eliminate toxins. But there's no one product or thing in your diet on the market that's just, you know, going to really accelerate this pathway in your system or make them more efficient or just really like clean your entire body out. Number two is that it balances your pH. So all I'm going to say is that this theory is not supported by science at all. Alkalizing foods does not mean that, you know, consuming these are going to promote an alkaline environment in your body. The pH of your blood or your cells is literally impossible to be altered by just the foods that you eat. Number three is that it improves your complexion. So same thing like I mentioned before with the toxins. So, you know, the detox water, it's not like it's going to remove every toxin there is in your body and, you know, flush everything out of your skin. Drinking water definitely is going to improve hydration and the hydration of your skin. But unless you're like super dehydrated, it's not going to affect the appearance of your skin all that much. But like, you know how I always say, like, your body is made up mostly of water, so it needs water, it wants water, and it's just going to improve everything. But it's not necessarily because of a detox and it's ridding all the toxins out of your body. It's more about hydration here. Now let's get into the facts. Now number one is that it does help with weight loss. Now, like I mentioned in my metabolism videos, you can increase your metabolic rate by drinking water. Also, like I've mentioned, drinking water before, during, you know, after your meals will make you feel a little bit fuller so you're not eating as much. And number two is that it will improve your digestive health. So hydration is super, super important, like I mentioned in my other videos, for digestive health and just making sure everything is, working properly and your bowel movements and everything like that. You can feel bloated and sluggish and have literal constipation from not drinking enough water. Number 3 is that it improves your mood and your energy levels. So your energy level, your mood, your concentration can actually be affected by just being even dehydrated a little bit. Can even cause headaches. I know the first thing I do when I feel like I'm getting a headache is I go straight and grab a water bottle. And number 4 is that it boosts your immune function. I mean, this is a little bit exaggerated, but I'm not going to say it's not true. Now, of course, drinking fruit juices or eating fruits or vegetables can 100% improve your immune health. Especially vitamin C, when you're drinking it or consuming it on a regular basis, like I talked about in my lemon water video. But like I mentioned earlier, you're not fully consuming all of this vitamin C. The water is just infused, so you're not getting all of those benefits or the amount of vitamin C that you would need to make a significant difference. So in summation, detox waters are a healthy beverage to drink, and you do have some added benefits than just plain water. But drinking water is key. Make sure you're drinking water. It's just going to be easier for those people out there that find, just plain water to be boring or too flavorless and they don't want to drink it, and this is just going to help them to drink more water throughout the day. And if drinking, some infused water is going to have you drink that over, a Snapple with all the sugars, please do so. But that is all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. And share this video would really help me a lot. But as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.